Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I present to you Facebook Marketplace BMW. It's finally on the road. So it's been about 3 months now since I got the BMW, and it's gone through quite a lot in the past 3 months. I'm going to talk you through everything that's been done to it. I'm going to talk you through all the repairs and parts that have been changed, and then we're going to take it on a drive, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that I'll be doing over the next week, pretty much this week actually, to try to get it to pass safety here in Ontario and try to get it on the road. My name's MJ, thank you for joining. Let's dive in. So without wasting any time, I'll get right into it. The car was in an accident, a front-end accident when I bought it. A friend had an accident with the car. Bought it from him knowing fully well it will need an extensive bit of work, not knowing exactly how much work it was going to need besides the front-end issues that I saw. So off the bat, I knew I was going to need a front-end, like bumper, radiator housing, the crash bar, and a few other of the hoses, the coolant hose, and that were damaged, that were evident from the accident. Fast forward to a few weeks when I finally was able to get the car to a friend's house, get it completely stripped out, and I started to notice a few other issues with the car. The subframe was cracked, so was the power steering that was cracked in the accident as well. I got those, had to change the entire subframe, had to change the power steering, and got that completely fixed. It did take a few days to get an engine hoist to hold up the engine while the subframe was changed, and get the whole power steering put back in and realigned. I got the entire front end housing for the vehicle. I got it off a 2016 BMW, and it just fit right on. And then I got a bumper from, again, another friend. You can see this bumper, it does need some work, but it's going to have to stay for now. And oh, don't forget the BMW logo. Missing, I don't know if you guys can see, but the bits, the fog lights are completely non-existent, so I'm going to try to get that. Overall, it's a completely nice spec. I like the way it turned out. I like the way it looks. I like the F30 chassis. Definitely not top of my list. You guys know I'm very in love with the E46 chassis, but I like the way this one looks. Everything so far looks just how I wanted it. The fact that it's here driving on the road, I think that's a big plus for me. That's a big win for me. So without further ado, let's just get back in and take it on a drive. Suspension is good, besides the hood that is obviously not closing, which I'm gonna have to fix, the airbags and the alignment, which needs to happen. Just testing it out, it's gone pretty okay. It's not too bad, and that's a good sign. The airbags, I already got the center and the knee airbags, so I'm gonna try to source the airbags for the curtains, and I think a new seat belt to a shop last week to get everything checked out, suspension and subframe wise, just to make sure everything was buttoned in pretty well. It came back with a clean bill of health, so that's good news. I'm just glad that was all done perfectly. So a few more things, and I think the car should be in good enough shape. It's not going on the highway yet. Everything considered, I'm really happy, and I'm really glad with, you know, the way everything has gone. I'd say I'm looking to spend about another couple $100 just to complete up the build. That's not including the paint stuff. I don't know if I want to leave the hood in black. Probably maybe just paint it to black for now. Leave it in black, maybe cover the rooftop up in black as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but from a cost perspective, it will be okay to leave it in black now as I tackle all the other little stuff, making sure everything is in tip-top shape for the vehicle. I think that's where really my concern is for now, just making it tip-top shape, making sure everything is done completely, and yeah, we'll see. So far it's been a really interesting build. If you haven't seen the other videos, I've linked them down below. Go check them out. There are no check engine lights, but that's it for now. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay warm. Cheers.